Hi guys, this is Courtney Bridges. I just wanted to show you real quick the new features that came with Quizlet and how you can use this in your classroom for more than just a flashcard deck. So one of the cool new things is that Quizlet now connects to Google Classroom. So all my classrooms are right here, which is awesome. And yeah, so say I wanted to give vocab. So I'm just gonna type in something random. So say I find this really cool slide deck, or I wanted to make my own for my students. We'll use this one. And I wanted them to know these words and become really, really familiar. Yes, you can use the flashcards like we normally do with Quizlet, but the really cool thing is they have games for us now. So they have a matching game, just kind of like a normal matching game. And then they have this one called Gravity. Gravity is like a simulated video game, kind of like Atari, like the old Atari games. And now they also have Quizlet Live. So Quizlet Live is a collaborative game that you can play in the classroom, and it allows your students to be broken up into teams of about like 3 or 4, depending on your size, and they have to work together to answer 12 questions right. And if they lose one, then they are automatically sent right back to 0. So it's kind of like Kahoot, but it's a collaborative Kahoot. So let's just take a quick look at Gravity. Oh. So yeah, you can see you're supposed to type the answer. So if this was the word, you type the definition and so forth. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed that, and we're good.